There are three real ways to make money with Claude right now, and I'm not talking about the recycled list every other video gives you, vibe coding apps, flipping PDFs, dropshipping nonsense. I'm talking about three actual paths that the most successful people you see online are using right now to build real income, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which one fits you, and more importantly, which one is going to cap your income and which one has the highest earning potential. My name's Fred. I sell online courses using AI because it's the best way to make money online. My profit is as high as 95%, and my record is making $5,000 in cash collected in only 48 hours. If you want to learn exactly how I do that, you can join my free course or directly book a free game plan call with me. All the links are in the description below. So let's start with way number one, which is selling high-ticket online courses priced somewhere between $1,000 and $10,000. These courses are built around solving a real painful problem that people have using AI to actually build the course. And I'm gonna tell you straight up, this is the best way to make money online that's ever existed. And I'm not just saying that because that's what I do, I'm saying it because of the actual math behind it. In fact, I chose to do this because it's the best way to make money online. Otherwise, believe me, I'd be doing something else. I want to make as much money as I can with the least amount of work possible. I'm just as lazy as everyone else. The profit margin on an online course is insanely high. We're talking up to 95% profit because there's no inventory, no shipping, no physical product, no team of people you need to hire just to deliver it. You build it once with Claude doing the heavy lifting on research and structure, and then you can sell that exact same thing over and over again without rebuilding it every single time. That's the part people don't grasp at first. Your income isn't tied to your hours. It's tied to how many people you can reach and how good your offer is, which means there's genuinely no real ceiling on what this can become if you actually commit to it. Now, let's talk about way number two, which is selling AI automation services to businesses, things like chatbots, voice agents, workflow automations, that kind of thing. And I want to be honest with you about this one, because there's a real upside and a real downside, and most people only ever hear about the upside. The upside is you can absolutely make great money doing this. We're talking $10,000 to $25,000 per month. It's realistic once you're skilled at it, and businesses are genuinely willing to pay well for automation that saves them time or brings them back lost revenue. But here's the catch that nobody talks about. Getting to that skill level takes a lot of time to begin with. We're talking a year or more of actually learning the technical side properly before you're good enough that businesses trust you with their system. And even once you're there, you're still fundamentally trading your time for money, which is why it's extremely hard to get past 20K per month doing that. You're being like an employee except you're self-employed and slightly better paid. You're the one building each project. You're the one managing it. You are the bottleneck in your own business. So you can become a really well-paid self-employed worker this way, genuinely well-paid. But going beyond that $25,000 a month range becomes extremely difficult because there's only so many hours in your day and only so many projects one person can actually deliver well. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. So that brings us to way number three, which is selling high-ticket coaching, meaning you charge people directly to coach them one-on-one or in a group setting, usually around a skill or a result you can help them achieve. Now this one works. It's one of the best ways to make money online too, and there's tons of people making really good money doing it. But I want you to think about where this fits compared to the first two ways I just walked you through. Coaching still requires you to actually show up for the calls, manage the relationships, and deliver the actual coaching yourself, which means just like automation services, there's a real limit on how much you can scale before you're maxed out on hours in each week. Each client relationship takes ongoing attention, whereas a course, once it's built, doesn't need you personally showing up every single time someone buys it. So now that you've heard all three, let's actually compare them honestly because this is where most people get confused about which path to actually choose. Selling online courses gives you the highest possible revenue ceiling and the highest profit margin, up to 95%. Because Claude does the heavy lifting on building it for you, and you're not trading your time for each individual sale once it's live. Making more money doesn't need more of your time. Selling automation services gives you a decent path to solid income if you're willing to put in the year or more it takes to get genuinely skilled at it, but it caps out really quickly because you're still the one doing the actual delivery work every single time, and building a team would be extremely complicated. And selling coaching sits somewhere in between, real income potential, but still fundamentally tied to your time and your calendar, which means your income is always going to be limited by how many hours you personally have available. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You're thinking, Fred, of course you're going to say courses are the best because that's literally what you do. But you have to understand that the reason I sell courses and talk about them so much is because they're the best way to make money online, with the highest revenue potential, highest profit margin, highest leverage, and the most freedom. Otherwise, I'd be doing something else entirely. Courses are the best path to making money online and having freedom, and I can tell you that because I've tried so many different business models over the years, and the math on courses simply outperforms the other ones every single time. Once you factor in the actual time required to build genuine skill in automation, or the time required to personally coach every single client one-to-one. That doesn't mean automation services or coaching are bad. They're not. They're both legitimate ways to make real money. But if your actual goal is maximum income with the least amount of your time permanently tied up in delivery, courses are mathematically the strongest of the three. And here's the thing that ties all three of them together. No matter which one you actually decide to pick, you don't need to already be an expert in whatever problem you're solving, because Claude can help you research that problem for you, pull together what already exists out there on the internet, and help you structure it into a product or service that's genuinely valuable, whether that's the lesson inside the course, the actual automation you're building for a client, or the framework you're coaching someone through. The expertise bottleneck that used to stop people from starting any of these three paths has basically disappeared. What's left is just deciding which one actually fits the kind of income ceiling and time commitment you're willing to live with. So here's what I want you to actually do in this video. Pick one of these three paths, not all three, just one, based on how much time you're realistically willing to trade for income versus how much you want that income to scale without you being the bottleneck. If you want the highest ceiling and you're willing to build something once and sell it repeatedly, courses are your best bet. If you want high income and you don't mind it being like, being an employee, and you're willing to put in a year of skill building and then monetize after, building automation services can be your move. And if you genuinely love working closely with people one-on-one, coaching or hybrid courses like a course and one weekly group call is your move. Just pick one, commit to it, and actually start today instead of watching 10 more videos trying to find a fourth option that doesn't even exist. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.